So this is the remote of a Blu-ray player. Pressing enter, I will make the buttons disappear. Move the buttons out. Oh no, I'm going to change it to 0 and 1. Move the buttons in, so let's run it. 0.
On the number.
How do I set the... I need to set in numlock. Okay, I will choose other keys. Numlock. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. 0, 1. If you want, you can have the buttons appear with a delay, so I will have a 500 millisecond delay between each button. So it's quite nice. Okay, so this was the menu button. Now I will show you the pop-up menu. What is it? Blu-ray pop-up menu. There you've got the object. So you create a menu. Yeah. You create a menu like this. So the menu can be text, like this one, and I'm going to create another menu. So it can be text like this one, or it can be made out of image mosaic like this one. So in this image you have the different parts of the menu that creates the menu. And you can say that you want the menu to appear by scrolling from bottom, for example. This one will be scrolling from left. Scrolling from left. And this one will appear from right. And let's set the font to a bigger font. 28. Here too, I'm going to choose a big font. Alright, and this one will have disappearing scroll to left. No, it's not scroll to left, it's scroll to bottom. So if I run it, as you can see, you've got the menu. So this one is built out of the image I've been showing to you. Oh, okay, I didn't set the font size for this one. So it's a very simple way to create a pop-up menu for the Blu-ray platform. Maybe these objects, we can make them public as well for the Click community because they are very powerful and can be used in ways. Okay, so this is another object. And the last object I want to show you is the carousel object. So the carousel object is a multi-button object. So I'm going to create some buttons here. Okay. See, it's a scrollable object. So you've got the same properties for the buttons as the menu button object. So if I run it, I'm going to make it wrap buttons. Okay. If I run it, as you can see, all the buttons scroll. And you can have it as well as vertical, top and bottom. So it makes it quite easy for the Blu-ray creator to create menus in Multimedia Fusion. So the other object for the Blu-ray platform are Blu-ray control, which is an object that allows you to start, play, pause, rewind, etc. All the control of the player itself. You've got the high score object, and the high score object saves the high score table inside of the player in the permanent memory, so that you can have the family can have a high score table and recover it from one session to another. The ini object that as well saves into the permanent memory, and the register object, which allows you to access the objects. So that's the registers of the Blu-ray platform. So you might be interested to know that the price of this product is $15,000, which is makes it unavailable for any one of us. We haven't sold that many so far, but we're working on making the product better. Okay. Fano, do you want me to go on, or should I let someone else speak?
Come on,
Okay.
take your time.
Okay, last thing I want to show is how to create a Java extension, because you know that now that we've got the Java runtime, everyone is crying about, I want this extension on the Java, why isn't it done, etc. People don't realize that it takes time, there are many extensions, so we cannot do them all by ourselves, so we've done all the Clickteam extensions, and the user extension will leave them to you to create them. So we've made an extension kit for the Java platform. Here it is. So you've got a documentation with everything you need to know about converting your application, your extension. What?
I will have to translate it into Polish.
If you want, yeah. To create a Java extension, we use NetBeans. So for Java, you might know that you have two main editors. One is Eclipse, and the other one is NetBeans. NetBeans is made by Sun. Sun are the creator of Java, and Eclipse is made by IBM, which is the big competitor of Sun. And if you think about it, the name Eclipse means the thing that hides the sun. So actually it's a bad name, it's a very nasty name, I think, that IBM has chosen to name this product something that, you know, hides sun, so it's a very bad name. So here is the NetBean interface. It takes a bit of time to start looking for, okay. So basically the structure of a Java extension is similar to the structure of the C++ extension. Come on. Don't tell me it has crashed. I think it has crashed. Scanning, it's stuck in scanning. Yeah, this is going on. Okay, so let's open the static text extension. So you need to name your class, the name of your extension with C run at the beginning. the